Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to download and install Axe app. So Axe application is available both in Play Store and App Store. So if you're using the Apple devices, what you have to do is go to App Store. If you're using Android, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. At bottom you'll be able to find several icons over here. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply type in Axe and search for it. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. You'll be able to find the application for Axe, formerly Twitter. So simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find the option for install. Simply tap on it. Now wait for a while. It might take a while to be installed. While it is being installed, you can simply scroll down and find out about this app. You can also check the reviews. Now after a while, you can see over here the Axe application will be installed. You can simply tap on the open option in order to open it. So like this, you'll be able to download and install Axe app. So that is how you download and install Axe app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.